Once again, welcome to Geography class. In this class, we are going to see about the third topic. In the third topic, we are going to talk and discuss about the third point of the chapter number 5. So, chapter number 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Topic number 3, in that we are going to see about the types of vegetation plus tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. We are going to talk and discuss in a detail. For your information, I want to tell you about that you have to prepare one table. In that table, you have to write the serial number, name of the vegetation, just like tropical evergreen forest. After that, you have to write the area in which this forests are found. The vegetation, right? The animals. After that means the wildlife, any specific qualities you have to write. So you have to make a table. In that you have to find, as we are going to study here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 5 vegetation. Every day whenever the presentation is over, you have to find out in which region the tropical evergreen forests are found. Right? Name the vegetation present there. Name the wildlife present there. Like that you have to prepare one table. Right? If you face any doubt and difficulty, you can ask to me. The next, in this presentation, in our previous presentation, already we have seen types of vegetation. There are 5. Out of them, 2 we are discussing in this presentation: evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Let's proceed. Types of vegetation. The following major types of vegetation may be identified in our country. That's a figure 5.3. In the figure 5.3, we are going to see tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrub, mountain forest and mangrove forest. Right? So let's move to the figure number 5.3. So this is the figure 5.3. It's present in the textbook. You please study because it is going to be asked in the form of map form. So clearly speaking to here, right, the areas are marked with a specific color, and the colors are speaking about that vegetation present in that particular area. Point number 1, tropical evergreen forest, that is has been placed with the dark green color. So wherever the dark green color is present, that is going to be called as tropical evergreen forest. If in a map, on a blank map, outline political map, if I am going to mark this area and shape and place here, in a clue I will give a type of vegetation. So which type of vegetation it will be? Tropical evergreen forest. This type of map work will come in the examination. Then this greenish part is talking about tropical deciduous forest. So you can see about tropical deciduous forest is covering a large area in our India. The next, mountain forest. So this little bit yellowish color is speaking about the mountain area. This part and this part is mountain forest. Then mangrove forest. Mangrove forest so this is the area 1, 2, 3. We are talking about mangrove. Tropical thorn forest, this dotted one lightly. So this is the area where we are having, and this is the area we are having. Right? So in our India, these 5 vegetations are present, at which area we already see. So as we have seen this, you please make a note of it and make a clear picture in your mind in which part of India. Suppose you are living in Gujarat. So in Gujarat, there is a tropical thorn forest. Right? If you are living in Jammu and Kashmir, so what will be there? Mountain forest. Right? Next, moving further. First, we are going to see about tropical evergreen forest. These forests are restricted to heavy rainfall areas of the Western Ghat and the islands of Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar, and upper parts of Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. They are at their best in areas, right, having more than 200 centimeters of rainfall with a short dry season. It's called as tropical evergreen because they are evergreen. There is no time to shade the leaf. There is no specific time, right? We are going to see. That's why they are called as evergreen forest or rainfall forest, right? So because there is heavy rainfall. See, the height of this tropical evergreen forest is too high, up to 60 meter. This photograph is available in the textbook. You can see it there. The photograph is speaking about the tropical evergreen forest. Next, the trees reach great height up to 60 meter or even above. Since the region is warm and wet throughout the year, it has a frequent vegetation, right? So luxuriant vegetation of all kinds of trees, shrubs and creepers, giving it a multi-layer structure. As you are seeing in the multi-layer structure, the creeper is too much height, right? So they are evergreen, right? This luxuriant vegetation of all kinds, trees, shrubs and the creeper, giving it a multi-layered structure. There is no definite time for the trees to shed their leaves. As such, these forests appear green all the year round. As I stated you, there is no specific season or a period in that they will shed their leaves, right? So they will appear evergreen. Next, some of the commercial important trees of this forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and sycamore. The common animals found in these areas are elephant, monkey, leopard and deer. One on rhinos are found in the jungle of Assam and West Bengal. Besides these animals, plenty of birds, bats, toads, scorpions, snails are also found in these jungles. I was talking about to prepare a table. In the table, if it is asking about wildlife, you can collect it from here. If it is asking for vegetation, ebony, mahogany, rosewood, you can write the name of the trees. Important. Next, we are moving to discuss about tropical deciduous forests. These forests are also called as monsoon forests. That's a specific characteristics. First, these are the most widespread forests in India. They are also called as monsoon forests, spread over the region, receiving rainfall between 200 cm and 70 cm. Trees of the forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in a dry season. Right? They used to shed their leaves. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous. So deciduous forests are divided into two, that's a moist and dry one. The former is found in the area receiving rainfall between the 200 and 100 cm. These forests exist therefore mostly in the eastern part of the country, northeast states along the foothill of Himalaya, Jharkhand, West Odisha and Chhattisgarh. These are the regions where these forests are available, and on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Next, we are going to see about the different species of forest found here. So, teak is the most dominant species of this forest. Bamboo, sal, sesame, sandalwood, kale, kusum, arjun, mulberry are other commercial important species of these forests. The dry deciduous forests are found in the area having the rainfall of 100 to 70. Then these forests are found in the rainer parts of the peninsular plateau and the plain of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Next, there are open stretches in which the teak, sal, peepal and neem grow. A large part of this region have been cleared for cultivation and some part are using for grazing. In these forests, the common animals found are lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephant. A huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes and tortoises are also found here. So finally we are seeing about a type of a forest, another name of that forest, the area where the forests are found and the specific quality of that forest. So as I told you, prepare a table. So two things we have finished here, two types of vegetation, tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest, that you have to do in the notebook. Then lastly, I want to tell you about that table preparation is very important. As two topic covered, prepare the two notes of this presentation in the tabular form, so it is going to be easy to learn you the 5 types of vegetation present in India, and the map work also, please see it properly. Till then, be safe and secure at your home. Thank you to each and everyone. If you still face any doubt and difficulty, please let me know and I am going to sort out it. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.